How to log into the Tesco Employee Portal for employees. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Tesco Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, tesco.com. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in your email address. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option to recover it. If you want to save your login details, check in for this option, Keep Me Signed In. After you fill this, click on Sign In, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on this option of Register for your account and create it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily log into the Tesco Employee Portal for employees. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.